you there. I'm Professor Ariana Higginbottom and I'm here to teach you about mathematics. Please step into my math laboratory. Today we're going to learn about two-digit multiplication, which is when you multiply numbers with two digits. Take, for example, this sum, 32 times 41. Whoa! Who is this clown?
I'm not a clown. I'm a misconception jester.
Well, would you like to have a go at this sum?
Yes.
Stop! You've just demonstrated a common misconception combining multiplication and addition algorithms. Why don't you give it another go?
Let me think.
Wrong! You haven't demonstrated a complete understanding of place value. Ah! Yum! The misconception Soros loves it when people don't demonstrate a complete understanding of place values. Now let's model misconception A. In the problem 32 times 41, the student would multiply the bottom number by the top number. For example, see that the misconception jester has multiplied 2 by 1 and 3 by 4. In this, the student is not recognizing that two-digit numbers are whole numbers in multiplication. Now let's model misconception B. In this misconception, the student multiplies the numbers following the correct process, but doesn't understand the place value in two-digit numbers. They don't treat the numbers as whole numbers. This can be seen where the student hasn't added a 0 to the ones column. Now let's look at the correct process. To multiply two-digit numbers, students will begin by multiplying the bottom ones digit with the top ones digit, and then with the top tens digit. The student will then move to the second line to multiply the bottom tens digit. First, the student must recognise that the tens digit is a whole number. They do this by writing a 0 in the ones column of the new line. Next, students will multiply the bottom tens digit by the top ones digit, and finally they will multiply the bottom tens digit by the top tens digit. Lastly, the student will add the two numbers together, getting the final answer. To teach this concept easily and work towards avoiding the previous misconceptions, the following strategy can be used.
Step 1.
You can teach students the multiplication process by drawing the following. Begin by drawing a box around the numbers and splitting them like so.
Like a window.
Be sure to label the ones and tens column so students explicitly remember place value. To the side of the math problem, draw a box with these same divisions and arrows showing the process. The arrows should go from the bottom ones digit to the top ones digit, and from the bottom ones digit to the top tens digit. Be sure to mark this box step 1.
Step 2.
Model the process of step 2 by drawing another divided box below the first one. In this box, draw arrows to show the process of dividing the bottom tens digit by the top ones digit, and then by the top tens digit. Be sure to refer to the place value holder to remind students that they are multiplying by a tens digit and need to place the 0 in the new line to show that they are not multiplying by 4 but by 40.
Step 3.
Complete the problem by commencing the addition step of the problem. Using the boxes with arrows provides students with a visual understanding of the process they are undertaking. It aims to alleviate the chance of repeated errors and is valuable in the way it deals with place value.
And that's how you make math magic!